Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video we created our record using this request all, and there is two records we created in the database. And if you are not familiar with the models, you can watch my previous video where I explained that how you can interact with your database using model without writing any queries, right? So let's complete our second step, make it a comment, and here you need to write your post model. It's already added on the top, and here you need to define a create method, and this create method accept an array, right? Put here comma, and the first parameter is the database name of our this column. Let me go there, and this is the title. I want to pass a title, so here we need to pass a title value. What is the title value? So it's coming from this request, and this request having this title property, right? Where it's coming from, we assign this let me go there, we assign this a name, right? And we are accepting all the input fields by this request object, and we are getting title from this request. You can get any fields from this request, right? It's accept all them. So let's put here a description. Let me copy this from there, or yes, it's exception. And what is the value of this description? So it's a description which is coming from the form. And the third one is publish. Okay, and the value should be this one. Oops, should be a request, and yes. Okay, the third one is status. Let me put here a status, and it's a request, and yes, it's status. Okay, and then we need to type a user ID, and the user ID should be 1. You need to take an eye on it. It's a 1, right? We are sending this 1, and we in the previous video we implemented this foreign key relationship, right? And if you don't have any user in the database, it will create problem, because foreign key is required, right? In the database I have created one user, that's why I'm able to add post, right? You need to create first a user there, and then you need to type a user ID there. You can type any ID which you want. So it's a title, not any which you want. It's you can take a look at a user table, and you need to pass this primary key in this user ID, right? So we are getting the title, description, is published, status, and user ID. Save this one, go to the web browser, go back, give it a refresh, and I added this fake filler Chrome extension. You can also download this by googling it, fake filler Chrome extension. Oops, I don't have internet connection, that's why it's not suggesting me. So you can type as fake filler Chrome extension, and it's available in the web browser. So fake filler Chrome extension, and I'm submitting this, and yes, now our data is added. Yes, there is 3 records. So we successfully added our record using this array, right? So this is also accepting this array, because when we pass this parameter right request also it accept an array, but we are passing this attribute which are defined there, right? So if I don't want to add this title, so we can do this by using this create array, right? If I comment this, and I can add this if this field is nullable, right? So what is the difference between this method and this? So it's both same, but there is a security issue when you write post create all. So it will accept all the parameters which exist in the form. So if user can go here and append some text field from this inspect element, and guess the name of our column name here, and append this to a form and submit this, this field will be submitted into the database. So that is the security hole, so that's why we are entering this here like this. And that's it for this video, and I will meet you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.